right there.
I'll get behind you.
So for everybody that's listening, the Tug America is the oldest commercially operating tug in the entire world, built in 1897. I grew up revering this tug because of this man right here, my father, who used to take me down to see her when she was named the Wisconsin, and say, you know, kid, that used to be the Tug America. He's my inspiration. My spiritual brother in this industry, Mr. Thauvette here, tolerates my love of a tug, and we're family. I never thought that I would see the guy who's been with Gaelic Tugboat Company for 46 years wearing a Great Lakes hat.
He didn't either.
He didn't either, but
only you.
So we're not doing a traditional christening, breaking the bottle today. This is taking the tug back to her original colors and name from 1897. In 1993, this man wrote a letter to the Great Lakes Towing Company asking them to take the tug back to America because that's what everybody has known her as. And that letter from 1993 is being answered today. So with that, Dad, you do the honors.
The captain of the America, my kid.
And Vice President of Operations of the Great Lakes Towing Company, Gregg Thauvette.
They made it happen.
So you pour that over the name, sir. Amen.
Amen.
Right, get it on there real good.